The CP3019 is a slim and compact extended die grinder. With a 31,000 RPM half horsepower governed motor, it is only 0.6 kilograms in weight. With a streamlined safety catch and superior ergonomics, it provides optimal productivity. The included flexible collet covers the range of 5.5 to 6.35 millimeters. With a robust steel housing and an insulated composite overcasing, the tool features up to 2,000 hours between servicing, making it ideal for the industrial and MRO markets.